Liza.
And Isla.
And we are on our way to a birthday dinner because my sister is treating me. Say hi, Sunday.
Hi.
Hi. Okay.
Chino Latinos.
We're going to Chino Latinos in Uptown. Never been there. Yeah, so let's check out what we're wearing.
In the car.
Yeah.
Isla.
She's wearing
A polka dot dress.
laughing.
Oh my god, I have to pee so bad. Shit. I have to pee. Stop! Pee in the car.
I can't stop laughing.
Holy shit, I can't hold it in anymore. Stop, Asia.
I can't stop laughing.
Asia, I'm gonna freaking pee.
Isla, you have to hold it.
I'm trying so hard to hold the pee, but it's gonna come out. Holy shit, Cindy. Can you just please drive it to the gas station?
Honestly, I could be driving for hours and I don't know where we are. It's a gas station.
We just passed the gas station over there.
I'm staying forever.
Oh my freaking. I'm just gonna go pee behind a tree.
I'm gonna get arrested.
No cops are here. Holy shit, I'm just about to pee in that cup right there. I'm freaking in the car though. It's embarrassing to doing outside.
You're gonna pee in your
Take it under my dress and just stand there. Like, yeah.
Just pretend like you're like Jocelyn and
Stop making me laugh. I'm gonna pee.
you're Jocelyn having to sit on top of a bottle.
Holy shit.
Dude, you're gonna freaking miss and pee in your leg.
I know, and then, ew.
It's gonna be so icky.
Oh my god, Aaron's coming. No. No, why is it taking so long? I have to...
Ooh, this is so funny.
I'm in so much pain. You're making me laugh and it's not...
Isla suffering in pain because she cannot go pee.
Holy shit.
She's
What
gonna die.
if I was wearing pants, dude? It'd hurt even more. I have to pee.
Just sing, Isla, sing.
No, that's gonna make you...
So, oh, you can't even see me.
Good?
He's
My
coming.
night's going good. I have to pee. Josh?
Yeah. What? We're gonna go home from our dinner. Isla, do you need to use the bathroom?